UPSC will celebrate its centenary year starting 1st October 2025, marking 100 years of fair and transparent recruitment for India's top civil services. Before 1854, civil services jobs in India were given through patronage. There were no exams unlike today. Then came the Macaulay reforms. Competitive exams were introduced, but only in London. In 1864, Satyendra Nath Tagore became the first Indian to clear it. Indian leaders like Dadabhai Naoroji and Surendranath Banerjee long demanded that the civil services exams be held in India, so talented Indians wouldn't be kept out just because they couldn't afford to sail to London. Finally, from 1922, exams began in India in Allahabad and Delhi. And on 1st October 1926, following the Lee Commission's advice, the Public Service Commission was born, with Sir Ross Barker as its first chairman. In 1937, it became the Federal Public Service Commission. After independence and with the Constitution in 1950, it became the UPSC we know today, with powers under Articles 315 to 323. Over the past century, UPSC has stood for meritocracy, integrity, and excellence, selecting the nation's finest minds for the IAS, IPS, IFS, and more. And now, with the 2025 mains exam approaching, EduChemie wishes you the very best of luck. Go clear it.